Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our Boxycharm. I'm pretty sure this is the premium box. Okay, so for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will list all of the information down below. Okay, so we can just jump right in and see what's in the box. Okay, it is definitely the premium box. How do we know? Because it's blue on the inside and it says premium. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pull out our description card. And the description card for this month says sweet treats. Okay, so let's just jump right in. Now the very first item that we have is by Marc Jacobs. Okay, and according to our description card, it says Marc Jacobs Beauty, Sequins Glam Butter London Eyeshadow. It says a creative and fallout resistant long wear liquid glitter eyeshadow that makes it easy to shine no matter the occasion. Formulated with lightweight squalene, this shimmer-packed shadow glides on easily before setting in place for all-day sparkle. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $25. So let's just open it up and see. Oh, this color is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. So the shade is actually called Paparazzi. Alrighty then. You know we gotta swatch it and see what it's like. Okay, well, it's very coppery and shimmery. Can you see that okay? Pulled out a brush. I just wanted to tap it out a little and see. Okay, now it does dry rather quickly, so if you are indeed going to use this, my suggestion to you is to do one eye at a time because it does dry rather quickly. Okay, so let's move on to the next item, which is by the company Incredible Cosmetics. Okay, and it says the Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo, and the description card says the glossiest roller ball to date has landed. With a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips, the glassy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras, enriched with nourishing and hydrating properties. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $24. Okay, now as it stated, it is a duo. Okay, one is called Rose Quartz. I'm gathering it's this one, and this one is called Amethyst. I'm going to just a little bit. Let's see how they look. Although I'm telling you, I already know. Oh my God. You know what? This feels like I'm not gonna say the name of it, but from back in the day that we used to get. So you could just put on the most, but let me tell you something. It's not sticky. It feels really nice. So we'll see what's gonna happen, because I already know my little sidekick and my G1 and G2, possibly even G3, will be trying to come for them, okay? But it looks nice. It looks really nice. Okay, so moving right along, the next item that we have is by Luxe and Willow. This is something I actually really like. I have a different set from another company, but these are wonderful. And it says the 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. These antimicrobial and hypoallergenic reusable bamboo pads are designed to remove makeup, cleanse, and apply toner while reducing waste for the environment. Use the mesh bag included to machine wash and dry. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this set is $20. It's really not trying to participate with me at all. Okay, so when we open it up, this is apply your favorite makeup remover or use as a cleanser with water. Then gently wipe face with pad in circular motions to cleanse skin. Wipe with other side of pad to remove any residue. Collect any used pads in the mesh bag and machine wash and dry. Now it says reusable up to 250 times. Now this is really okay. It's a 4-pad set. It comes with 4 pads and the mesh bag, okay, so that you can wash them in. And I like that it does have this piece so that you don't have to worry about it coming apart in the laundry. I love these. Absolutely love them. I'm glad to have another set, okay? So then moving right along, the next item that I have is by Natasha Denona. And this is the Transfix Matte Concealer. This is an item that I selected, and it says a 1-stroke full coverage ultralight formulation with exceptional staying power thanks to the exclusive micronized pigments. It doesn't crease all day long, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $28. Now the shade that I have, this cannot be it. Oh my God. It is 16WM warm yellow / orange. Okay. And it is a 6 milliliter or 0.20 fluid ounce size. This is what it looks like. So let's see. Oh, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay. It's, you know, something is going on with my lights here. Okay, so hopefully this is a little better. If not, please leave me a comment down below and I will work at adjusting them. But this shade is not too bad for me. Okay, because I can use it under eye. Then the next item that I have is by Dose of Colors. All right, and this is the Dose of Colors eyeliner, and yay for a color other than black. This long-wearing creamy eyeliner glides on easily, delivering a transfer-resistant, high-coverage matte finish. Built-in sharpener included, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $15. Now the shade that I received is called Maybe Baby, and it's actually green. Oh, I like this packaging. Here we go. And it's very, very lightweight. It almost feels like it's nothing there. So we just pop off the top. Now, I don't know why it would need a built-in sharpener if it's retractable. Look. Can you see that? Okay. But it does have one. So we'll just say okay. All right, so let's just swatch it and see what this green... Oh, it went on very nicely. And here's the green. Okay, then I have one last item. I was really hoping that maybe I would actually get a Natasha Denona palette, but that didn't happen. But anyway, I'm a little salty with Boxycharm right now. But anyway, so the last item that I have is by the company Iconic London. And let's see if I can get it away from the lights. Okay, there we go. All right, and this says, this is the Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is the perfect summer companion. The 20 highly pigmented shades in a selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters will make your eye look pop. With a fine silk-like formula, the range of versatile shades take you from day to night in an instant. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $62. Iconic London, made in China. It does have a beautiful full-size mirror in it. And yes, these shades are gorgeous. Okay, so let's just do this. How about that? Full-size mirror, and yes, beautiful shades. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so do I really need to swatch? Actually, I'm going to swatch. Oh my, that felt amazing. So I'm going to swatch a matte, which is going to be Mimosa. I'm going to swatch a shimmer, which is going to be Seashells. And I'm going to do, it says a glitter, but I don't really, okay. And this one is Havana. So let's just take them right here. There we go. What you think? Okay, what are your thoughts on that? Okay, so not bad. They seem to be just a little patchy, but that's usually what happens, you know, when you swatch it this way. Oh well, okay. Not bad. It's not bad at all. So I swatched it again a second time. So it's buildable and beautiful. Okay. The items in this month's Boxycharm Premium, to me, I'm saying they're just okay. They're high-end products. Marc Jacobs eyeshadow, the iconic London palette, the Natasha Denona. I guess they're high-end products, but I'm just still a little salty because no, I still have not gotten my Boxy Luxe from last month. I do not even have my base box, okay? So I'm kind of feeling some kind of way right now, okay? I keep reaching out to them, but, well, that's not why you're here. So, but anyway, so they're very, very interesting. I do like the lip gloss. However, I didn't expect to get a lip gloss rollerball in a premium box. But nonetheless, okay? So, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. These are the items included in this month's Boxycharm Premium. Down below, you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that are included. Okay, right now, I cannot give you a favorite, but be on the lookout for our create, review, and first impressions of all the items that we received. And being that everything here, it's designed to do a complete look. So when we do our create, review, and first impression, you'll actually get a chance to see me use all of these products, okay? So, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed the April Premium Boxycharm with the theme of sweet treats, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.